So the first task that we do is download the ISO installer file. So just simply go to the Chrome and open it, and just simply type the whatever you want installer or Windows installer. So and that's it, and choose whatever you want ISO file or installer and just simply download. So the second task is download VirtualBox and install the VirtualBox. So first thing that we do is go to the Google Chrome and just simply type the VirtualBox free download and click it, and that's it, and install the or download the VirtualBox. So let's proceed from our download Windows server, and this is the Windows server that we download right after, and this is the Windows 7 server and the Windows 8.1 update. So we use the Windows 7. So that's it, and let's proceed from the task number second task, and which is the download the download and install the VirtualBox Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the Oracle VirtualBox. So I didn't display the video while I'm downloading the VirtualBox because it's easy to download and to minimize the video or to short the duration of the video, and just simply go to the Chrome and type the virtual machine or the VirtualBox and install. So after we install, and let's set up the Oracle VirtualBox. So first thing that we do is open the Oracle VirtualBox and just simply go to the new, and in the name just simply put your name whatever you want. So I put my name Leo Martin, Leo, just simply Leo, and from the machine folder automatic from the users, and the type of Microsoft Windows type. So just simply click the Microsoft Windows and the version that you want, or it depends upon your laptop what is the compatible or the compatible Windows, or if you want the 64-bit or the 32-bit. So let's proceed to next, and you can adjust the recommended memory size if you want, but let's proceed from the next. And this, just simply create a virtual hard disk now and create, and let's proceed from the next and next again. And in this part is just simply move whatever you want. The recommended size of the virtual machine will be able to store on the hard disk. So just simply create. So that's it. We create an account. So the next thing that we do is go to settings and just simply go to the storage and click the empty, and go to the disk and choose a disk file. So we choose what is the download right after which is the Windows 7. So and this is the Windows 7. Click the Windows 7 or the Windows 8, but we choose the Windows 7. So open it and click it, and just simply click the OK. And after that, let's proceed from the start. So just simply waiting. So this is the result. simply wait. So this is uh, in the language is choose whatever you want language, or what is your the preferred language. So it's me is English, and keyboard US, and let's proceed from the next. And that's it, and install. And just simply wait. So in this case, just simply select the Windows 7 Professional and go next. And also click the I accept the license and go to next. And in this case, just simply click the custom advanced. And in this case, just simply click the new, or just we create our partition. And after that, apply. So click OK. So that's it. Just simply click the new partition 2, and let's proceed from the next. So if you can see is we installing the Windows, and also that's all information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. So in this case, so just simply wait, we install the Windows, and until we reach, or until we reach the 100% to install the Windows 7 server. So let's wait, or cut this video to to prevent long videos. So we installed the Windows 7 in the VirtualBox. It's already done, and in this case, if you want to put password or in your account, or just simply type your password. If you want, if you don't want, just simply go to the next, and in this key, just simply skip or go to the next. And in this case, and just simply select the install, and also select the time from the Philippines. So choose the uh, or the in the universal time. So just simply next. So in this case, just simply click the home network or whatever you want, work network, public network. So just in my case is just simply click the home network, and waiting for the connecting to your network and applying settings. So that's it. We installed the Windows 7 in the VirtualBox. So if you can see, click the so if you can see the preview, this is the display of the Windows 7. And after this, so it's already done. So after this, let's proceed from the next task that we do. Next task that we do is configure the network connection, or we create a LAN connection between host and virtual in the virtual machine. So first thing that we do is go to the search button, and just simply search the command prompt and click it. So in this case, just simply type the IP config and enter. So that's it. So let's proceed from the host. Let's go to the search and click the command prompt and retype the ipconfig and enter. So that's it. And if you can see the result of the ipconfig, and after this, just simply go to the virtual machine and look for the IP address of the host, which is the 192.168.0.106. And after that, you copy this and input in the command prompt of the virtual machine. So type ping space and the IP address of the host, which is 192.168.0.106. 168.0.106. 106 and enter it. So if you can see, there's a result, and let's proceed from the host. And from the host, just simply type again the ping and also the IP address. So ping space and the IP address, which is 192.168.0.106. And yeah, so waiting for the result. So that's it. And if you can see, there's a connection between the host and the virtual machine. So that's it, to how to connect the IP address or the ping between the host and the virtual machine. So that's it. This is how to connect or set up a LAN connection between host and the machine. So let's proceed from the next task. Which is the install web server or install XAMPP in your virtual machine server. So we install our XAMPP in our virtual machine. So this is our virtual machine. So we right after we transfer a web server, and we transfer in the virtual machine. So let's proceed from the files of the virtual machine. Click it and go to the network and see the VirtualBox server and click it. And after that, go to the XAMPP folder. And after that, so this is our XAMPP. We have 32-bit and we have 64-bit. So we choose the 32-bit or whatever you want. If you want 32-bit, then go. But we choose the 32-bit. So we install it just simply click and yes. So, so after that, we set up the sum for Bitnami. So let's proceed next, next, and so please choose a folder to install sum. So select folder, which is the sum. Let's proceed next, and welcome to the sum. Sum is an easy to install Apache distribution containing my SQL, PHP, and Perl. So let's wait for a while installing, and be patient to wait until it install the sum. So we complete the installing, and after that, and we click the finish. So choose whatever you want language, click the USA because and save. So that's it. This is the SAMP that we installed. So this is how to install SAMP control 32-bit in the virtual box or our virtual machine. So let's proceed from the next task, and this is how to install the XAMPP in the virtual machine. So thank you, and let's proceed from the next task. So let's proceed from the next task. So the next task is upload your application system of our capstone project prototype in our XAMPP or htdoc. So in our case, and also run and test your application. But in our case is we also pure IoT. So that I will explain the our project, which is the RFID based mobile charging using solar power. So let's proceed from the so this is our the initial output or output design of our system, which is the RFID based mobile charging using solar power. So from the sun and go to the solar panel and generate energy and go to the battery and the DC-DC, and from the RFID, and and after that we generate an energy and start charging. So and let's proceed from the use case diagram. From the sun, going to the solar power and RFID system and battery and charging. So from the RFID system is simply tap the card, registered card, and we we start charging or start charging. So and let's proceed from the flow chart. So from the start, go to the solar energy converted to power and go to the RFID antenna scan. If no, cut off, and from if yes is going to charge battery, regulate voltage, rectify, and fully charge.
And that's it, and thank you for watching and listening, and I hope you learn something in our tutorial. And good day and God bless.